Oh. 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 Jasper, the camel says that camel. This is what a camel spit sounds like. It's like you throw up. Oh.
He thinks you're doing cow. He thinks you said cow. Jasper, what does a cow say? Moo. What does the dinosaur say? Rawr.
What does the dog say?
What? What?
What does the cat say?
Meow.
What does the pig say?
Oink oink.
What does the horse say?
Nay.
What does the sheep say? Jasper, what does the sheep say? Ba. The sheep says ba.
What does the gorilla say? Gorilla. What does a gorilla say? Jasper, can you do the gorilla? What does a gorilla say? Can you do it? Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Jasper, what does the duck say?
Duck. Quack, quack. Duck.
What does the owl say?
Owl.
What does the owl say?
Yeah.
What does the
Bird. What does a bird say? Tweet, tweet. Oh, so cute.
what does the fish say?
Glub, glub.
What does the eagle say?
An eagle is a bird. That's a trick question. I don't know if he knows eagle. How about...
What the eagle says.
Let's see. Are there any other
What
ones
does
we're
the
missing?
seal say? What does the seal say?
Or. Yeah.
What does the
Are we missing some?
I don't know.
Oh, elephant. What does the elephant say? Yeah.
What does the lion say? What does the hyena say?
How about monkey? What does the monkey say?
What does the tiger say?
He wants to do something else now. What is this? Is that what we do to the trucks? The trucks, what do the trucks say? You're cute, Jasper.
Well, that's it on Jasper's Animal Sound Show. And